Boiling a massive pot of water in the middle of the night feels like a medieval ritual we should have moved past years ago. You're standing there, blurry-eyed, waiting for bubbles to form while a hungry baby screams in the other room. It is stressful. It is messy. Most importantly, it is completely unnecessary now. This is where a dedicated sterilizer and dryer unit changes the entire game for new parents. We are looking at the Momcozy 4-in-1 system. It aims to take that entire headache and condense it into a single button press on your kitchen counter. Most of us start out thinking we can just hand wash everything and call it a day. But then you see those water spots. You notice the dampness inside a nipple that just will not go away. You realize that your kitchen towels are probably covered in bacteria you do not want near a newborn. This machine uses high-temperature steam to blast away germs, mold, and viruses. It does this without a single harsh chemical. It is just water and heat doing the heavy lifting. The layout inside is actually pretty smart. It uses a modular design. This means you can shove in wide-neck bottles, tiny pacifiers, and all those annoying breast pump parts. Those items usually end up lost in the back of the drying rack. You just pour in a tiny bit of water at the base. You hit the switch. Then you walk away. The real magic happens after the steaming is done. A lot of older machines just leave the bottles soaking wet. That creates a breeding ground for more gross stuff. This unit has a dedicated drying mode. It uses warm air to get every single drop of moisture out of there. You pull out a bottle and it is bone dry and ready for milk immediately. No more shaking them over the sink. No more using a dirty cloth to wipe them down. It also doubles as a storage hub. If you run a cycle before you go to bed, you can just leave everything inside. The machine keeps that environment sterile for hours. When that 3 a.m. wake-up call happens, you just reach in and grab a clean, safe bottle. It is quiet too. You will not have some roaring engine waking up the house while it works. Now, you do have to think about your counter space. It is another appliance. It takes up room. But think about the space a traditional, messy drying rack takes up. It is a fair trade. You will also need to descale it every now and then. Hard water leaves those white crusty spots on the heating element. It is a quick fix with a little vinegar. You cannot ignore it if you want the machine to last. If you are someone who is pumping multiple times a day or dealing with a mountain of bottles, this is not just a luxury. It is a sanity saver. It gives you back those 15 minutes here and there. That time usually goes towards scrubbing and boiling. In the world of baby gear, that time is worth its weight in gold. It makes the whole feeding routine feel controlled instead of chaotic. You get professional level sanitation without the chemistry set or the giant pasta pot. It is simple. It is effective. Honestly, it just makes life a little bit easier when you are already running on 2 hours of sleep. It handles a full set of bottles without crowding. The controls are intuitive. You do not need a manual every time you want to switch modes. It is a reliable partner in the kitchen that actually does what it promises. It is about making the day-to-day work of parenting just a little less heavy. Keeping things germ-free should not be a chore that eats your entire evening. This setup proves that it does not have to be.